Salt Life Horde, I forget what it is. August 11th, 2024. Picked that little motor. I bought this welder. We got it all hooked up here pretty much. I think it's semi-legal. I'm pretty sure I don't have trailer lights, but got chains and everything. Looks good. Frankie and the Frankmobile is gonna run chase on me and cover for my non-working tail lights. He kind of needs to get out of the way first though. I don't know, he must be doing some, there he goes. All right, on the road again. This driveway is a problem. It's short and it's curved. Come on, baby, you can do it. I got that welder strapped down pretty good, I hope. There you can see it. I'm gonna drive slow just in case. Oh, it'd help if I took the parking brake off. There, oh, it's a lot lighter now. I thought that thing was heavy. I'm going, why is that thing so heavy? It's on a trailer. Oh, look at that, no traffic at the red light. Hey buddy, I can't help it if you came flying around that corner at 70 miles an hour. Wow, this thing pulls a trailer. Great. See if we can get a rear view out of there. Got me a new chain hanging up there too. Nothing says badass truck like a big old chain hanging. Alright, I'm not supposed to go fast with this. I gotta slow down here. Oh man, I didn't even have to slow down. Well, I mean, I'm going slow. Don't want my welder to tip over. So I met my new neighbor today. His name's Frank too, so I got two Franks next door to each other. And the other thing I noticed is I put up signs to keep off the grass, and he puts his mailbox on my side of the street. I should run that son of a bitch. No, Frank's a nice guy. Seems really cool. Continental, charismatic, kind of a nice guy. I think we'll get along fine. All right, let me back this trailer in here if I can. It ain't easy. All right, it only took me 2 tries. I got it pretty good though. Thing about this long wheelbase truck, the wheelbase of the truck is almost as long as the distance between the back wheels. Well, I'm not gonna make excuses. It just ain't easy.
Okay.
What?
It's
a welder, dear. It's a tool. It's
what I'm saying?
Okay, I'll have it out of here within a week. I'll move or whatever I got to do, but this is my new welder. Thank you. Okay, go inside and we'll talk about it. This is my new welder. Okay, I'll move or whatever I got to do. I don't care. She tells me don't make a scene. I'm not the one that ran out here and start making a big fuss about it. Where's Frankie?